Hey everybody, I'm Tim.
And I'm David, and it's This Week in Sonoma Valley.
All right, David, where are we?
We are in the historic Sonoma Plaza. We are right across from the Sonoma Mission. It's actually right behind you.
Right behind you.
Like, turn around.
Yeah, turn around the camera around.
It's right there.
You guys can't see it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And it's a beautiful day. It's like 60 degrees.
It's really nice. The leaves are falling. We're underneath this tree, whose name I forgot, but we'll just call it a tree.
It's beautiful.
It's nice.
Lovely.
Let's find out what's going on this week, David.
Okay.
First of all, September 8th and 9th, so Saturday and Sunday, we have the Snow Maiden at the Sebastiani Theater.
I love it.
This is through the Sonoma Conservatory of Dance. These are students here in Sonoma, and a couple adults are performing this Russian story, and it's about snowdrops, the snow guards, powerful winds, a snow family. It's really cool.
They actually did a performance here in the plaza,
They
right?
did, right over here at the amphitheater. They did a free pop-up, and it was a little preview, and you can see it then, and now you can see it this weekend at the Sebastiani.
Great.
What's up next?
We have, I just mentioned the historic mission right here in the barracks. We have holidays on the Northern Frontier starting December 8th, and it's that weekend.
Okay.
They have family-friendly activities taking place at all of these awesome historic buildings.
Okay.
Sing-along programs at the mission.
Okay.
They have a Soldier's Christmas, which is a living history sort of
because
thing.
there were Spanish soldiers and the Mexican soldiers stationed here.
There was.
When this was part of Spanish and Mexican California.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is both at the Toscano Hotel and the Blue Wing Inn.
Okay.
They also have the Pickle Creek String Band.
I love the Pickle Creek String Band.
performances.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
So they're probably my favorite string band.
Yeah. And
From all the creeks, Pickle Creek is number one.
got it.
Yeah.
Docent led tours, and it'll be a great historical, fun holiday celebration.
Okay, cool. Check that out. Well, you can also have brunch with Santa this weekend.
I know him.
You know that guy! On Saturday, December 9th. This is at Ramekins. There's 2 seatings. You can hang out with Santa, have some blintzes and mimosas with the big guy, and there's some kids and crafts and stuff like that.
On Sundays we brunch.
On Sundays with brunch. Ho, ho, ho!
December 8th and 9th at the Sonoma Community Center, they're having their artist holiday sale.
Okay, like local artists.
Local artists. They've been
That's
working
cool.
on this for a while now.
Okay.
They have ornaments, they have jewelry, dinnerware, vases, wearables.
Wearables?
Wearables,
Like that.
cards, sculptures.
Okay.
So you can get all of your holiday shopping done in one spot.
place. So my wife can watch this and know where I'm going to buy all my stuff.
Correct, the wearables.
The wearables.
Wearables,
Getting
yep.
you a wearable.
At the Sonoma Community Center this weekend.
Locally made wearables right now.
Yeah,
Okay, well check this out. You know Shauna Davis.
I love her.
She's our local favorite cheesemaker, and she'll be doing a hands-on ricotta cheese making class also this weekend at the Sonoma Community Center.
I'm a VIP student.
Are you a VIP?
I'm a star student.
You are
I
like...
love her classes.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You know a lot of her classes.
I have.
He's like the VIP cheese guy. Well, if you go to this one, you'll find out how to make a pumpkin and cranberry torta. You're also going to take home a cheesecloth, cheese ladle, and recipe rack card. So find out how to make your own cheese at this class.
Amazing. And then we have performances of A Christmas Carol,
Oh, okay.
also at the Sebastiani Theater.
Okay, and this is December 14th, 15th, and 16th.
Yes, both Friday, Saturday, and Sunday
Okay,
performances. So get Ebenezer Scrooge into
Right.
the joyous holiday spirit.
Right. I fear the
Hopefully
ancient
people-
spirit.
Hopefully people know this story.
That might be
but,
the line of the ancient mariner.
It'll be a great live performance
There's ghosts
there.
of Christmas past, and present, and future.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, exactly.
And how does it end? God bless us, everyone.
I was gonna say you have to go see it.
Oh, yeah, go see it, because that might not be the ending. There might be a different ending this time.
You never know.
That could be a different ending.
All right.
I think it's a sled. That's what you're going to find out.
Okay.
December 15th at Meadowcroft. Have you had a cocktail before?
Yes,
Have you had a winetail?
I don't think so.
Aha, but you can at Meadowcroft Wines. They're making cocktails, but with wine. Every Saturday they have a new one. You can go down to Cornerstone and check it out.
Okay.
And I'm kind of excited about this because I haven't had a winetail.
It's every Saturday in December.
Every Saturday in December down at Meadowcroft Wines.
Yeah.
You might remember we had Meadowcroft doing our candy wine pairing for Halloween.
They did. That was fun.
We'll just put a
Yeah.
link somewhere where you can go back and see that because Dana did a great job with it.
Yeah. You can also go check out the lighted snowmen at
Oh, right,
Cornerstone.
at Cornerstone. They have like tons
Yes.
of lighted snowmen down there in the corner.
They
and a
do.
new thing every year, so that's a good point.
Yeah, really cool.
Forgot about that. Jeez. Hey, what's happening on Saturday, December 15th?
At Vianza Winery, they are doing Santa, s'mores, and Sauvignon. So
That's a lot of S's.
It's a lot of S's,
Right.
but great title.
Right.
Well done,
right.
Vianza.
Right.
So a festive gathering for all ages.
Okay.
They will have Santa, Smashmallow s'mores,
Smashmallow s'mores.
Smashmallow.
What's a Smashmallow?
It's a mallow. It's a marshmallow.
So it's a local company that makes flavored marshmallows,
They
right?
do, yes.
And for example, if they drop some off at our office, they might be in a future video.
Right there.
So if they dropped it at 453 First Street East,
Yep,
they might be in a video.
they might. So, Smashmallow s'mores,
Right.
wines, Santa. What more can you want?
Vianza Winery, December
Vianza
15th.
Winery.
Santa loves Sonoma because that guy is everywhere.
He's everywhere.
He's everywhere.
Yeah.
Speaking of everywhere, final thing I want to talk about, the Valley of Lights. There are 250,000 lights, David, from Cornerstone, 17 miles up all the way to Kenwood.
Wow.
And so you got the plaza here. It's got all these lights lit up. A beautiful
I've seen
palm tree.
these. They're amazing.
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
You go to Boys Hot Springs. It's lit up. You go to Glen Ellen.
Did you drive under that bridge?
I drove underneath the bridge. It was really amazing.
Yeah.
The footage was
It's
fantastic.
cool. Oh, I bet. We might have a little clip
I'll
of it.
play it right here. Right?
Yeah, got it.
Then you also go up to Kenwood, and they have the oak trees there in the Kenwood Plaza. You'll also notice that some of the different wineries, like Landmark and also Atwood Ranch, have lights along Highway 12. So it's a beautiful chance to come up and see the Valley of Lights in Sonoma.
Visit Sonoma, see all the lights. It's a great time of year to visit.
I love it.
Yeah.
Now, if people want all this information, where should they go, David?
They should go to sonomavalley.com/events. And they can see everything else that's going on, all the wonderful happenings, special offers, deals, all that.
That's all there. And if you have questions, comments, leave them down below. We will make sure we answer them, or we'll feature them in the next video. So thank you very much, and have a good week.
Have a great week. See you next week.
All right, we did it. Woohoo!